Doris Liu, and I am a kidney transplant recipient, and I did 1 year of peritoneal dialysis. I care about drug-induced kidney injury because I am currently taking tacrolimus for my transplant medication, and so I know that as much as that helps protect my kidney, in the long term it's also nephrotoxic, and so I want to keep the life of my kidney as long as possible. I think that patients and scientists and researchers and all the stakeholders should come together for the workshop, because everybody's got really important information and data, and this is a case where this is more than the sum of all the parts. We can come together, exchange information, use information that can help towards discoveries and new medications. And so I think there's just so much out there, but I know it's like kind of all siloed, and so we need to come together, and all the people can use information from one another.